Hello, and welcome to Advanced CGI Compositing. In this course, we will show you how to create a high-end sci-fi CGI shot from start to finish. This course is geared toward advanced users who already have some experience with compositing tools and a basic knowledge of the theoretical side of VFX production. If you haven't already enrolled in Fundamentals of VFX, we highly recommend studying it alongside this course. Check out the bonus lesson for a special discount. If you are just starting out, we nevertheless encourage you to join this course because you will learn a lot of advanced techniques and handy tricks. We begin this course by discussing how to map a shot properly in preparation for compositing. After that, you will learn how to create a photorealistic Earth in Adobe After Effects. We will model and texture a simple 3D space capsule in Blender and then import it into After Effects using Element 3D. You will learn the step-by-step process of matching elements, adjusting the settings of the virtual camera, and how to create realistic lighting for the shot. In addition to these, you will also learn how to animate 3D objects inside of After Effects using Element 3D, how to create high-end degradative enhancements, and how to color grade the final shot to give it an illustrious cinematic look. Enroll now to learn the techniques used for advanced CGI compositing and take your skills to the next level. See you in the course.